I absolutely love my job. Look at these gorgeous cars I'm able to purchase. 63 Nova SS, complete show quality build from the underside to the top, high performance motor. Hey, I'm Jay Grams. We're here at the Volo Auto Museum. This car can be found at volocars.com with all the specs, pricing, and information. And when you're on there, you're going to see a few hundred other awesome collector cars, all for sale as well. So go to volocars.com. I have a whole staff of people that are willing and able to help you get your dream car. We have financing. We can ship it anywhere in the world. So go to the website. Plenty of ways to contact us. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. I promise you we're going to be cranking out awesome cars like this, a few a day. So let's take this for a spin. And gorgeous. I mean, just absolutely stunning. I absolutely love the color. The body fit and finish is phenomenal. It's not a ripple, not a wave. The lines are nice. There's no bubbles, there's no cracks. I didn't see a single issue. I just went around the whole car before the video. The paint is phenomenal. Look at the stance, how it sits. It's got drop spindles in front. New smoked glass. These window frames are redone. And I'm going to say all this trim here has been chrome plated. It's not just polished, that's chromed. That's expensive and nice touch. Everything back here is done. It is an SS. There's a Z on the trim tag, and from what I can tell, that means Super Sport. Just a nice, clean trunk compartment, all beautiful original metal, all painted under here. Nice jam, nice weather strip. So a nice, clean trunk. All custom interior, is very comfortable. Got the bucket seats. Has the full console in the middle, nice chrome console. Walnut steering wheel. Has the factory gauge cluster. Has one of the retro stereos. And all the metal inside is painted like the outside. Is beautiful and glossy. The door jamb is shiny. All the nuts and bolts and knobs and bezels are beautiful. The headliner is tight as a drum. New windshield. It's a 436 motor. Got 700 R4 overdrive transmission. The rear end is all rebuilt with special axles. It's a 373 posi, I believe. Got subframe connectors. It has support bars up here. The whole front suspension's custom. It looks like a Heights front end with all the tubular control arms and all the fancy stuff, coilover shocks. Has rack and pinion steering. It's got disc brakes at all four wheels. Got good gas. It smells good. Look at how slick this is. Just nice. We'll have to look at that. Aluminum radiator with a polished overflow. It's got electric fan. Because the suspension has been changed, the inner fenders are all redone. It's all smooth painted. That's a real healthy motor. Got a high-rise aluminum intake, MSD ignition system. Now the door closes. The inside handle was in the open position. It's got a trans cooler. Underneath this car is painted this color, but it was done in a chip guard paint, so it's super durable. Cowl hood. I mean, this is nice. I'm around cars. This is what I've done all my life. This thing gets me excited. So I say I love my job. This is fantastic. Go to volocars.com. Hopefully you get there in time to purchase this stunning car. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.